Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Online class of class 2nd. Hope you all are doing good. Students, today we will do practice of unit test 1. So all of you pay attention here and your syllabus will come from page number 1 to 22. So let's start. Now, these are the questions I have given for revision. So do these questions in your copy, in classwork copy, at least 2 times. So for this you have to write the date. First, what will you write? 28th April 2021, and on the top you will write revision and start with question number 1. Write the number names. Here you will write the spellings of these numbers. First one, you will write the spelling of the number name of 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Now second one is 28, T-W-N-T-Y, 28, E-I-G-H-T. Third one is 17. Write the spelling of 17, S-E-V-E-N, 17, T-E-E-N, 17. Now next is 100. Write the spelling of 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Next one is 95. Write the spelling of 95, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 95, F-I-V-E, 5. Now next is 69, S-I-X-T-Y, 69, N-I-N-E. Now next is 78. Write the number name of 78, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 78, E-I-G-S-T, 8. Like this you will do this one yourself. In your copies, at least 2 times you have to write these. Now next question number 2, fill in. Here in a part you will write the number before 61. आपको 61 से पहले जो नंबर आएगा वो लिखना है यहाँ पर. Before 61 is 60. Now B part, 34 is between dash and dash, dash and 35. 34 किस नंबर के बीच में आएगा वो आपको देखना है यहाँ पर. It will come between 33 and 35. 34 is between 33 and 35. Now next C part, dash is between 76 and 78. What number will come in between 76 and 78? 77. Now come to D part. The number after 39 is, after 39 which number will come? 40. Now E part, the place value of 6 in 63 is, 6 is on tens place na, so multiply 6 by 10. Here will be the answer 60. Now H part, In 72 the place value of 2 is on ones place, so multiply it by 1. 2 into 1, the answer is here 2. And the place value of 7 is, I have repeated this second time, you can cut this one, no need to write this. The place value of 7 is, it is on tens place, so 7 multiply 10, 70. Right here in the space given 70. Now come to question number 3, carry on pattern. Here you have to complete the series. First one you can see 20, then 30, then 40 is given, means multiple of 10 are here. After 40 you will write here 50, 60, 70, 80. Like this you will write this. Now second one 44, 43, 42. Here you can see in backward series it is given. So before 42 you will write here 41, 40, 39, 38. Now come to question number 4. Here you have to write in expanded form 66. Means you have to write here in expanded form na 60 plus 6. Now you have to write here in long form 35. 30 plus 5. आपको इसमें tens और ones अलग अलग करने हैं. Okay students. Now come to question number 5. Write 61 to 100. Means you have to write here forward counting. Here you will write forward counting. Okay. From 61 to 100. Now question number 7. Here you will write the table from 2 to 12. All the tables you have to write 2 times at least, and in a good handwriting. Your writing should be neat and clean. Okay students, and learn these properly. Now, and any table may come in the exam also. So learn all the tables from 2 to 12, and your syllabus for unit test 1 is from page number 1 to 22. Okay, so prepare it well. Now thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.